Hi guys, Eric from TheWiscoGuyz here, and today we're going to be working on the Firebird again. It's been a couple weeks since I worked on it. I got as far as getting the door apart on the driver's side. So I got everything out of there. Window, door panel, handle, lock, just pretty much everything. Just stripped it, mirrors out, all the seals are out. Got to the other side and started getting everything off there. But now we got to cut the rivets out for the window, get that out. So that's what we're gonna do next. I gotta make some room. Then from there, get all the adhesive off for those door guards there, or door moldings. Get the antenna off, get the mud flaps off, those off down there. I was actually looking at getting a different set of mud flaps, you know, just to see what I could find, because the rear and the front mud flaps have different font. So I went to go look, and it's like $500 for a new set in the package, and I'm not doing that. So I think I'm just gonna reuse them, or maybe try to do something custom. If I could get like a universal set and then have them put Firebird on it, you know, in the font that I want, that'd be cool. But we'll see. We'll see what we can figure out and try to get that later down the road. Try to figure that out. But yeah, I'm gonna tear that door apart. You guys already pretty much seen me do it in the last video. If you haven't checked out that last video, definitely go up in the link above here and check that out, and then come back to this video. So, Aaron, you ready to cut this door out? Yep. Okay. We're gonna cut this the window. We're gonna cut the window out of the door. Yeah, let's cut the door. Yeah, let's cut this thing. No, so yeah, we're gonna do that real quick. Try to get this all apart, and then just go in and try to get some more stuff off. There's not much left, but you know, I just been working on it. I got 2 days into it, like 4 or 5 hours in each day, and we're pretty far. So next clip, you'll see me with the door apart completely. Alrighty, so got this door taken apart. Everything's right there, handles out, mirrors off, everything stripped enough to where we can get the wires out later and stuff. So Aaron already started gung-hoing. He's got the antenna off. He's about to get the hood scoop, plastic molding off. And then I'm gonna work on the mud flaps and the wheel liners here shortly. So I'll check in with you once we get a little bit farther. Alrighty, so took the wheel off. I got the mud flap off, the wheel liner out, and it's sitting over there. This wheel liner needs some help. It was definitely left on during painting the last time this car was painted. I'd like to get a new one, but I doubt I'll be able to find one. So, but got the rear mud flap off. Aaron went ahead and got the turbo hood scoop molding out, or whatever you call it. So that's out. Interesting, that's actually metal. It's not plastic, so that was kind of nice. Aaron is trying to convince me to paint it something different, and he's thinking Hot Boy 80s, right?
Big flake.
Fuck. Okay. I think he's right. I think we might have to do something just a little special for that. But I'm not going to reveal what it is. We've been looking at a few things on eBay for flakes, so I think we'll leave that as a surprise.
Yeah.
I think that'll be a good one.
Yep.
So, but I'm going to get the wheel back on. I'm going to jump over to the other side and get the other wheel liner out and the other mud flap. And then I think Aaron's going to take a few weather strips out. You know, I should have took the T-tops off before we started and put them in their bags.
Yeah. It's all buried now.
I mean, I could unbury it.
Yeah.
Just put them in there real quick.
Probably do that.
Okay. Yeah, so I gotta do that next too. So next you'll probably see is just a little bit more progress on it as we go along. Not really showing that much, but if you guys have any questions, just put it down in the comments and let me know. I could probably walk you through it through comments. So, alrighty, let's get to the other side. Okay, so Aaron's looking here.
You got some rust underneath the mud there, and right there it's cracking out. You see it's cracking up here too, and then shattered along the whole top edge here. And we know there's a bunch of mud right here, and then you can see it right here, that red oxide primer, and then mud on top of it there, and that mud kind of goes the rest of the door.
So you're saying strip the whole door?
Yeah, we'll do
and
some
remud it.
serious stripping on it, because we don't want that coming back out once we're done painting it.
I wonder if there's any back here.
That looks fine there. I think it's just the doors.
Just the doors. Alrighty. Well, update. I got that fender liner out. The front mud flaps off. Aaron's got the door prepped for sanding on the passenger side. He's getting this one done right now. I guess after that we get the decals off, huh?
Yep.
Sorry, Ant. It ain't keeping the purple. I thought about it, but we might be going another route. So, but we'll see. I still haven't made a decision on that yet. What color, at least. I know what font I want, but we'll run it.
Yep.
Alrighty, so I'm starting to get everything boxed up, just so we don't lose anything. Putting the painted box there, and then non-painted stuff there. I put the door panels away and the glass away in a box here. Guys watching this that work at the shop, don't throw this away. It'd be very expensive if you do. So I'm gonna try to get everything else out of there and just try to get it a little bit more organized, because it's kind of a shit show. And then get the T-tops out, and then try to get these weather strips off. I think we'll try to do that next. So Aaron's already going to town on the bumpers. He's like, get these things pulled apart. So he's doing that right now. And he's gonna work on the rear bumper too. But a lot of stuff going on. You know, honestly, it's not that much work as we go along. Like I'm thinking about it, I'm like, man, it kind of, you know, you do step by step and you're like, man, I'm kind of getting kind of far on this, you know, with disassembly. But when you think about it, it's like, oh shit, kind of a lot of work. So, alrighty. So I'll update you guys in a little bit once we get a little bit more disassembled here. Definitely gonna get these off today too. So, like I said before, Aaron's got this all disassembled, and he's looking underneath the license plate bracket. This is how I found the car. The whole car was in this like dirt, grime,
Nasty.
yeah, just that's how the whole car was when I found it. Oh, almost 11 years ago. In one month, it'll be 11 years since I've owned this car. So, just gnarly. And like, look, did you get the sap off or no? Is it still on there? And like old sap. That might be glue though.
Looks like sap to me.
I don't know.
A lot of sap.
Yeah. So.
That's,
So you're telling me you gotta strip these bumpers?
yeah, there's too many cracks on it.
Okay.
We'll strip them down, prime the whole thing.
I think LKQ's got new ones.
Probably not.
Just kidding. So, I'm just getting everything boxed up right now. Just trying to get things organized because I kind of just threw everything in there. Took the T-tops off. I'm trying to get the weather strips out. I don't know how that's going to go. I don't even know how they're on there, really. I mean, once we tear these off, kind of like no return, you know.
Yep.
I don't even know how they come off, to be honest with you. Huh? Yep. Gotta get new ones. This car literally hasn't been in the rain for a while. I started pulling this off, and look at this, just disgusting. Blech. I don't even want to touch it. That's gotta use just years worth of water. Just blech. That was disgusting. It just blech. So just right now I'm taking the weather strips off. I got everything unbolted here. Just kind of peeling it up with this little tool. Yeah. It's one of those things where it's like, just did find a little bit of crusty going on there, which I don't like, but we'll fix that. We'll get that fixed. Yeah, just getting this off and then continuing on then. Alrighty, so got one side off for this T-top seal here. You can see someone was in there trying to caulk it and all that, so trying to get it sealed back up. Definitely some water was sitting, which is nothing too bad. We can fix that. So definitely in the center there. I think I'm gonna get this sandblasted, or we'll see how it sands out, but I think we'll try to get it sandblasted and see if it's reusable. I think it will be. It's not that bad, so we'll see. But Aaron's working on the other side, and he says this car looks weird without graphics. What do you think?
I think it needs some graphics.
I haven't looked at it yet. Oh wow. Yeah, it needs graphics.
Yeah. It doesn't, I don't know. Maybe it's just because it's white. It needs something to pull it all together kind of thing.
Yeah.
It just looks a little bit too plain without it.
They said it looks like a Monte Carlo or something, or
Yep, especially when the back is up like that.
yeah, it's all like an Oldsmobile or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta put graphics. Yeah. I was debating whether to put graphics on it or not.
It's like a Sunbird from like the 90s.
A Sunbird.
Yeah.
Ugh. Yeah. So decision made. Graphics are going back on.
Yep.
The side molding, we're eliminating that.
I get it.
So some of this is coming off.
That old stuff is stuck on. That'll just have to stand off.
Yeah. Huh. It's weird how they did things when they painted it. All right, I think we're gonna call it there. I got one T-top off for the seal. I gotta still do the other one, but I'm not gonna show you that. It's pretty boring. I mean, if you have any questions about it, definitely let me know, but it's already about 1:30, so I got some stuff to do. Let me know, guys, know what you think, or let me know what you think. You know, we got a little far today. I mean, once a couple seals are out and a couple things are taken off yet, I'll be ready to sand. So I got everything in boxes, labeled, so everything's organized. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely go down below, hit that subscribe button. You want to keep up on what we're doing to this car. Let me know if you have any questions. Definitely comment below, and definitely hit that like button if you like what you're seeing. So thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good night or day or whatever you're having. Good weekend, and I'll check in with you later. Thanks, guys. Bye.